Hey girlies, welcome back. Today we've got an Abercrombie try-on haul. I had 2 packages come in the mail this week. I know it was stuff I ordered last weekend, I think, so it might be around like 5 pieces. So we're gonna just see what's in there, have fun with it. We'll see if we like anything, if we want to style it. I know Abercrombie is your favorite. It's just time for a new haul. I've definitely shared some Abercrombie pieces here or there, like in some other videos, maybe like what's new in my closet videos, that type of thing. But I feel like we haven't done a dedicated Abercrombie haul in a couple weeks. That's what we're gonna do. But first, we're gonna talk about a jewelry brand that I talked about one other time. I'm not sure, it was a few months back, and I think it was like a what's new in my closet video, but I introduced you guys to a brand called Linjer. They reached out to me again. I partnered with them again for this video. They sent me a few new pieces and I thought it would be fun to unbox them before we get into the Abercrombie pieces. You have on the pieces they sent me last time, which are this necklace and this bracelet. I've worn the necklace a lot. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me wearing it quite a bit in my stories. It's so pretty and dainty. I don't wear the bracelet as much, only because I don't wear bracelets, rings, or watches to work at all because I use my hands. I only do earrings and necklaces. So they did give me a code, which I will put on the screen and down below. You can use that code to get a special discount. I'm gonna show you. Stuff is so cute. So I actually did pick out these 3 items this time. I know we've got a pair of earrings because last time with the bracelet and necklace, I really wanted a pair of earrings. So I picked out a pair of earrings, and then I believe I picked out 2 more necklaces. I obviously don't know which is which. We're just gonna open them up. Look how pretty. I haven't opened them up yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, so last time the pieces they sent me came in these little felt pouches, but they were pink, and this time they're navy. I love that the colors change. I think that's so fun. Let's see. Oh, perfect. These are the earrings. I even put 1 earring in each little baggie so that they don't scratch each other or anything like that. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Can you guys see that detail? So pretty. I purposely didn't put any earrings in because I knew I would be popping these in. They're also the same gold as the necklace I already have, so that I knew everything would match. A newer brand to me, obviously, but I love them. I love their pieces. They're such good quality. And one thing I can say is now that I've had this for a couple months, no tarnishing. I have worn it in the shower probably a couple times. I haven't worn it like every day. I try not to do that because in general, you're not supposed to let your jewelry get really wet, but super, like, the quality is so good. I haven't noticed anything with it. Okay, box number 2. Again, so pretty. These would be really good gifts too. If you have a girl, woman in your life that you're looking to buy something for the holidays. Necklace. I think the 2 necklaces I picked this time, I was planning, look how nice that is, so that it doesn't get all tangled. Can you see that? I was planning to wear the 2 necklaces that I picked out this time, like stack them. So here's this one, just very pretty, dainty piece there. And it has, looks like 3 different holes to put it on to make it adjustable. Very nice chain. I'm just gonna put it on the middle one for now. You maybe could stack that. That's not horrible. It's really not. Okay, let's do the 3rd one. I believe the 3rd one, it's a chain. It's because I thought that would be good for stacking. Again, so pretty. Love these pouches. It's so funny because last time when they came in pink, I just figured that pink is what it was. These bags are so good. I've never seen them so long like this. Okay, so nice. Okay, this one, you know what? It just has the one, I believe it just has the 1 hook, but in reality, you could probably link it on any of those chains if you wanted to, right? All right, I actually went ahead and took off the necklace that I already had and then just added the paper clip. It's like a paper clip chain to this one. So basically the 2 new ones. I shortened up the paper clip chain. I just like clipped it on any one of the paper clip sections, because I feel like you could do that, because I wanted it to be shorter than this one, but you could do the opposite where you have this be the short one and this be the long one. But I really am loving these together, and I love that I have the earrings now. So like I said, head to the link in the description box, put in my code, and see what special deal is available for you. Okay, so I have on 2 new pieces together to kind of see how I would like them together. I don't love it though. I love the idea of a monochromatic look with this skirt, just maybe not this sweater top. I still have the bodysuit on underneath, which is also Abercrombie. Yeah, everything is linked down below. I'll put sizing down below too. I did get this in red, which I'm gonna show you guys because I know it's not in Abercrombie haul itself. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on with some jeans to show you guys because I do really love, I don't have a lot of red in my closet. I love more the burgundy, but it's a really good red like for Christmas if you wanted something like that. And because I loved it so much is why I grabbed this one. Red is the only solid color, and then they do this black with the stripes, and then they do like a cream with black stripes. Here is the sweater tee in red. Well, like I said, it's just a really good, vibrant red color. Perfect if you celebrate Christmas. I feel like there's some Christmas events I will wear it to, not necessarily with jeans. I just put the jeans back on I had on in the beginning. These are a pair of jeans from Aritzia. But yeah, it's really comfy. Obviously no wool. I always say that. Somebody asked me in the comments, like, why no wool? Because it's itchy. It's itchy. Obviously, animal rights is a big thing too, but for me, honestly, it's the itchiness. The jacket is so bougie. It's so cute. So obviously I live in Florida, and so you might be thinking, wow, that's like ridiculous, but hear me out. There are so many times during like the holidays, or just like if I'm getting dressed up, like I'm not wearing jeans. I know I have jeans on right now, but if I have something nice on and I don't have the right outerwear, like a cardigan doesn't work, a blazer doesn't work, like a trench coat doesn't work, like the pieces I have do not work. Like I need a dressier jacket, hence why I got this one. I love it, and it's like, I love the coloring. It's cream, but if you look really close, like the tips look brown, but I feel like it will go with everything. Like I could wear it with neutral, with black. I did get it in the small. I always am weird with jackets. It feels a little bit snug like across my shoulders, but I don't think I would want to get it any bigger. I think it's probably just because I have sleeves underneath. And honestly, I feel like this is something I would wear if I had on like a little black dress, but then I needed something to wear. Like you're going to an event, you have this little black dress on, but you need something to wear like to and from. I feel like this is perfect. It might come in black. I feel like it came in 3 different colors. I just chose this like really neutral cream vibe. So this is the small for reference. So if you feel like you would want like a bigger fit than this, then go ahead and size up. And if not, then like stick to your true size. I actually got in a little like sequins party like skirt thing too. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on as like a realistic outfit, and then put this on to get a better idea for sizing. Okay, so this is what I was thinking when I got this jacket, like over a cute little party outfit, which, side note, I love this skirt. The sequins, I don't know if you guys can tell, the sequins is so good. It's big sequins. So I have this skirt from Abercrombie last year. It's obviously more flowy, but see how it's like the thin sequins? No. These like big in your face. This is so good. I kind of want to see if the silver, I got it in a small, if the silver's still available, I might snag it. I know the burgundy's long gone. I would love to have the burgundy. I feel like having 2 colors in this is okay for the holiday season. This ruched bodysuit I already had, and then just black kitten heels, and then the jacket. Like obviously the black jacket would be really cool, or if it came in like burgundy, that would be amazing. But I love the idea of just the neutral. Like I can just throw it on outfits over outfits. I just wanted you guys to get the idea of like what I was talking about, of like why I would need this. So like this would be my outfit because it's Florida. I'm just like gonna be outside, or even if I went out of town, like this would be really good to have. On a side note, this outfit would look so good with these silver shoes as well. And I would switch to silver jewelry. So just another option. It would also look really good with like burgundy shoes. Like just so many options. I love this skirt. I feel like, I don't know how many different ways I would honestly style the skirt. I feel like I love it with the bodysuit and I would just want to change out my accessories. Like just switch my shoes and bag. If this is still available and you like want something like this for the holidays, like snag it. I feel like any color would be fine, but yeah, I definitely want to see if the silver one is still available. Side note, today I changed the settings on my camera. I did get a comment in one of my recent videos about it being blurry, which I don't know if she just meant it's blurry when I'm like way back there, because it's definitely not blurry when I'm close up. That's all I could think that she meant. So I totally did a different setting this time, but I'm not sure if it's going to be better. So we're going to see. I probably need to do like a camera tutorial because she's like, you need to get a better camera. But like I have the Canon G7X, like it's the best camera. So it's not about the camera. It's probably just like my editing and setting skills, to be honest. But I really wanted a pair of brown trousers, and the Sloan ones that I have in a couple other colors didn't come in this color brown. So I'm not exactly sure which ones these are because I originally had two different ones in my cart. I think they're called like the Quinn and Harper. And then I only ended up purchasing one and I'm not sure. So whatever these are, I will link down below. I think I meant to go back and get the other pair in a separate order. I think I was doing separate orders because of like merchandise credit and stuff. But anyways, I didn't, but I like these. So I don't even need to try whatever the other ones are. They are curve love, which I always do. And I did get my true size 25. They are a wide leg, but I really like them. And I just kept on the same bodysuit and same shoes. I love brown and black together. I don't know. I wonder how the jacket would look. Let's see. I feel like she's like the star of the try-on. I actually do have another jacket though. I think all I have left is one more jacket. I think she's like the star of the show. That actually is cute. I have to have convinced you by now to buy the jacket. Only if you need it. Unless you have something like this in your closet, then it's just some styling ideas. Okay, I did also get like a faux suede jacket, which I have the suede skirt. I'm going to see if they're the same color. I do have an Abercrombie suede mini skirt, but it's not the same color and it wasn't even the same texture. So instead, I styled it with this plaid pleated skirt. I think this is the same as the black one I shared in the beginning. And then same shoes, same bodysuit. I feel like I could maybe have done the all black too, but they do kind of like this together. Abercrombie has two like suede jackets. I got the cropped one. There's a longer one I will link as well. This is the small, but I just feel like this would be a really nice outerwear piece to have for fall and like into winter. Again, for where I am, I feel like this would go really well styled with jeans. Basically, if I just don't want to do a cardigan, I tend to do a lot of sweaters and a lot of cardigans, but if I wanted a jacket, I kind of like this. I'm not really grabbing my blazers anymore. They're like really long. They're not quite my style anymore, so I really never gravitate towards my blazers. I pretty much just do cardigans. So I'm happy to have like these two jackets to add into my wardrobe. But that's going to be it for today's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my Linjer code down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.